Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. And stay safe, stay at home. Okay, listen to your parents and listen to us also, and do the work. Okay, children, and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay, children. Now I hope that everybody is doing the homework and sending the homeworks to your class teacher group. Okay, children. Now I am continuing that two-letter words. Okay, children. Now see, two-letter words. Before that also in previous class I already explained that two-letter words are so many are there. By knowing then only we can identify what is that how we are going to identify that letters and how we can pronounce a letter very easily. I shown all the steps. No, according to that you must have to read all the words and all the letters, then do the homework carefully. Okay, children. Now see which two letters now I am giving now. Now see, I am giving Ag. Now first letter. By seeing the first letter, what is that? You can identify easily. No, Swarakshar. Which one it is? It is a Swarakshar letter. What is that? Swar means how we are going, how we have to know. Now we can write a Swar letters. A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay. Now see here how we are going to identify this. See, everybody will read this A, E, E. First A and second A. But for how many seconds? See, for how many seconds? See, some long vowels, some short vowels. Hasva and Dirgha. Hasva swar means for 1 second. Dirgha swar means for 4 seconds. One short vowels means short vowels are A, E, U, A. Remaining all, Ru, it is not that one, Ru. Okay. Remaining all long vowels. Which one are the long vowels? These are A, E, U, A, I, O, Au. Up to here are the long vowels. What are those? Long vowels. Now see here. These are all, which one I circled? These are all long vowels. Long vowels for how many seconds? Long vowels for 4 seconds. 1 second and here 4 seconds. What are these? I will write here. A, E, U, A, I, O, Au. Okay. These are all for 4 seconds. These are all for 4 seconds. How many seconds? 4 seconds. See? Short vowels for 1 second. A, E, U, A. A, E, U, Ru. And long vowels are for 4 seconds. A, E, U, A, I, O, Au. For how many seconds? For 4 seconds. Okay. Now see here. Ag. How we have to know this ag? How many seconds we have to say? This one long vowel. This is long vowel. Okay. And for 4 seconds. No. It is long vowel and for 4 seconds we have to say. And this is what? What is this? This one? Vyanjan letter. It comes a, this is swar sounds. These are Vyanjan sounds. If we are seeing this Vyanjan sounds, see here, ga. How we are going to identify this ga? By knowing the Vyanjan letters or the ka varga or the Alpaprana or Mahaprana. Previous class already I told you that Alpaprana akshar, Mahaprana akshar, you have to remember that. If we know that one as a mala means kachata tapa gajada daba, like this, you know that very easily that Alpaprana and Mahaprana akshar letters. Now see here, ag. Ag, what is that? Ag. No? What is the sound of that one? Ag. See here, how I am saying ag. This is long vowel. See, vowel sound, sorry, mistake. LV means V is vowel starting with, no? LV means long vowel. This one long vowel. This is and for 4 seconds we have to say. This is what? Vyanjan letter. This is what? Vyanjan letter. Vyanjan and Alpaprana. What is that? Alpaprana. No. By writing in English you can identify, no. This is Alpaprana and Vyanjan akshar. Easily we can identify this one. Now, with this all that types we can identify easily. Now see here, if I write this word a and ga, how we have to identify? A sound, a and ga sound. Both two sounds are there, no? A and ga. Now we are separating the letter first. First what we have to do, I told you that. I told you to separate the letter first. Separate it, no? Now what are the sounds here? A and ga. If you mix the two, what is the sound will come? Ag. No? Here also same have to join. Ag means fire. Ag means what is that? Fire. Ag means what is that? Fire. See, ag means fire. With that fire, on that fire we are cooking the food. And if if rainy season, if it is winter season comes, we are going near to that fire, and some are warming their bodies, and fire is helping us to cook the food. And in olden days the fire was taken by that stones. No, they invented by the stones with a stick. No, these all things are there. Don't go near to the fire. Okay, don't go near to the fire. Keep safe from yourself from the fire. Okay, children. Now see here, this all you must have to keep in your mind. Then means I am saying that too you have to practice and read more. Okay, okay, children. By knowing this all the types, if you identify the word, it will become very easy. Now see, ag after what is that? Next was chhatra. How you are going to identify this chhatra? See here, by writing the word cha. Cha sound. See, cha. And now what is that? Cha after what is that? Next, tra. How we have to know? See, tra is what is that? This is a compound consonant. I told you in compound consonants 2 letter sounds are hidden in this one. Which 2 letters? Ta and ra. No, these 2 letters are hidden in this one. Ta and ra. In tra, ta and ra sound is there. No, ta and ra sound is there. Now we can say easily now. Tra. What is that? T-H-R-A. No, these two, cha and tra. This is a Vyanjanakshar and Mahapranakshar letter. This is Tra. Okay. The next Chhatra. What I told you to do first when you see the word, you must have to separate this word. Cha plus Tra. Okay. Cha plus Tra. If we add these two, see what are the sounds in English also? T, H, R, A, Tra. Then now if we add these two, it will become Chhatra. Chhatra means umbrella. Chhatra means umbrella. Here this format is to understand the words, two letter words, and what are the meanings of that particular words. Okay children, you have to read and compulsory you have to practice. Okay children, when we write this one, it will become Chhatra. See, like this. Chhatra spelling. Chhatra means umbrella. Chhatra means what is that? Chhatra means umbrella. Okay children. Now see how many types we know that? By knowing the vowels and vyanjans, we can read easily a word. No children. Now I will write some more words related to this. See, pad. In English, pa spelling is there and the a spelling is not there. I told you no. In English, if we, when we write the word, last letter we are taking as a halant. Okay children, pad. Pad means pad. Don't read like pad. Da sound and da sound. Both sounds are there no in this one. Now next, jhat. See, jha, ta, jhat. Which two letters are there? J, H, A, T. Okay, jhat. Okay children. Now see, by knowing this all the letters and this all the things related to this one, I will give the homework. Okay children, do it and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay children. Now easily, very easy words I will give. Okay. Write the meanings in English. Okay. In previous class also, two letters I explained. Two words I explained. That one also I am going to give. Okay. Now write the meanings in English.
Madam.
Now children, in previous class I explained two letters no, the two words no. Now along with that one I am giving such the two also, I am adding the two also. What is the meaning of that one? I told you in previous class, you must have to write that meaning in English. Very easy. Okay children? Okay. You will confuse. And Chhatra. Children, what do you have to do? You must have to read this word. Read this word in Hindi. I told you the steps how to read a word. Read this word in Hindi and in English also. In previous classes I explained already these words, and in English also I explained. See that one, and remember these all the words, and if you remember these three meanings only, write and post to your concerned class teacher too. Okay children, till that time next class when we meet, up to that time, thank you.